Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got the second unboxing that Robert sent me from Craft Evolved. Before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and I do appreciate each and every one of you. And make sure you do all the YouTube things, like subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the videos, and let me know if you've ever tried them. Tried anything that, I'm showing y'all. So, all links will be left in the description box below. So, if you are interested in a certain product, just make sure you go and check below. All right, so this is the second product, like I said, sent to me from Robert, and it is from the Craft Evolved store on Amazon. And as you can see, it is a create your own soap and bath bomb science lab. Now, this is for kids from 6 to 12, but I think anybody can do this and would be happy to have this as a gift, especially if you are a beginner in making soaps and bath bombs. This would be terrific as a gift. So, beautiful box. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors. It is bright, and it just makes you want to dig into this box and get started because it's just happy and fun looking. So it has their logo up here on the top. It says Craft Evolved. And as you can see, you can make 12 soaps, 10 bath bombs, and some bath scrub. And then it shows you, kind of the things that you can make. Of course, it does have the warning labels because there are some parts in here that if you do have a child make it, there are some choking hazards in here. So on this side, it is just, all rights reserved that this is from Craft Evolved, and this is a Colorado company. So it is in the States. So on the other side, it's just their logo and the pretty way that they have done the soap bath bombs. Just gorgeous. I love the colors. Now, on the back, there is a scan before first use. Now, this is going to take you to video instructions. There is also an ebook manual, and it'll give you 30% off coupon for your next purchase. All right, so I have not opened this. I have not seen this. So let's open it up. Now, like I said, this is a US-based company. They do have an Instagram. They do have a, I'm just going to pull everything out. They have a website, actually. So you don't have to just get this on Amazon. You can go to their website. So what comes in this kit? So you have this tray that you can put all your stuff in. I'm going to set that right here. It comes with 4 pouring cups that has measurements on it. And then it has a spout. And you get 4 of them. All right. This is a bath bomb mold. Couldn't think of the word. A bath bomb mold. I'll get it here in a minute. So you just put this together and you can either pour it, but I've also seen them scoop and press, and it shapes it into the bath bomb. All right, it comes with this silicone mold, and we have got a leaf, we've got a heart, might get that upside down. I don't think it really matters which way I go. All right, it's got a shell, a heart, a leaf. Looks like a rose. And then it has like a little swirly. And then it has a flower. And then we have, looks like a bear, a fish, a turtle, an elephant, a cupcake, and it looks like a rabbit. So we have these molds. And yes, this is very kiddish, but it is for kids. But you know what? I'm a kid at heart. Then we have this other mold, and this is plastic, and it's a leaf, a heart, and 2 flowers. And I hope y'all can see that. I hope I've got all this in camera. All right, so then you have this big old bag of stuff. So I'm just going to put this over here out of the way. And you know, this company, they also, if you go look on their Amazon site, they also carry acrylic paints. Plus, they also have the candle making kit that I showed previous. And then your bath bombs. So they have 2 boxes. This one says thanks, and this one says specially for you. And you just take and put these together. Okay, and then we have the instructions. And like I said, they have a step-by-step video and ebook. So they have a note to the adult helper. And then they have what you will need, which the only thing that you're going to need, because this kit comes with everything. The only thing you're going to have to take and get is say a microwave and gloves. So they didn't send any gloves with the kit, and you're just going to need a microwave. So it'll show you here how to do the soaps. It says crystal soap. It shows you how to make the bath bombs. Okay. Then it'll show you how to make the soap. And then the salt scrubs. Very cool. So this is a checklist. And what comes in this is everything that's on this list. I'm not going to go through it. We're just gonna look at this. But I do want to see something. Okay, so okay, yeah, it's got, well, it doesn't say. I do know that that one is silicone, and this is plastic. Okay, so we have a little butter knife, a little plastic knife. We have white soap base. We have a citric acid. We have a clear soap base. Let me just lay those over there. We have 2 ribbons that's going to go with those boxes. We have a pack of glitter. Okay, we have these, which is a little wooden spoon. And then a little stir stick. And then are these spoons, or is this? Let me see. Okay, we got the 4 measuring cups. Yeah, 2 large spoons. I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't something else, because it kind of looked like a mold that you kind of put together. But anyway, it's a spoon, or 2 large spoons. All right, so there's the bath salt, magnesium sulfate. We have citric acid. We have the baking soda yellow. We have crystallized sea salt. We have baking soda blue. We have cornstarch. We have a dropper. And then we have vegetable oil. Boy, they sure do put everything in there. And then we have, the essential oils. One is coconut, vanilla. We have jasmine, lavender, and candy. Oh, wow. Those, I bet, smell wonderful. Okay. And then we have our colors. We have got red, green, yellow, blue, and purple. Wow. So everything you need to make these bath bombs are right here. Okay, I'm going to bring you down just a little. So, again, like I said, this is everything that you could use. It is US based. They have excellent customer service, and they have a customer loyalty program. All right. And like I said, if you go look, they have also got acrylic paints, and they've also got other art supplies. So it's not just bath bombs and candles. They do carry other things. And honestly, I'm not even real sure what all they carry on their website because I've not yet been able to get over there. But yeah, they just have all kinds of stuff. And this is just really nice, y'all. Very, very nice kit. Everything you need to get started on these. So, what do y'all think? I think this is going to be fun. I think I can smell it right now. I mean, that coconut, I can smell all of that. And it's not that they're leaking, and it's not that they're extremely strong. It's just I can just smell the scent. Yeah, and that just smells wonderful. Just wonderful. So, again, Robert, I want to say thank you for sending these to me to show to everyone. And I will put the links to everything on their website, or of their website, of their Amazon link, and their Instagram in my description box. And I really, really hope that y'all have enjoyed this video, because I enjoy making these videos. And like I said, this box is gorgeous. It just makes you want to do some. It just makes you want to absolutely go straight into the kitchen and start making these. And see this little thing right here? That's what this is. And you put all your little things in there. You get everything set up. So, yeah. So, what do y'all think? I think I'm going to try to make some. And I will definitely make another video. I might make a video of me doing it, actually. But it will be a minute before I can get to it, being the holidays. So, but anyway, I'm rambling, and I hope you enjoyed this. And thank you again, Robert. And I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.